Alright, Smoketown fan, it's your main man, Captain Mike T. Hat, man. We had a lot of destruction of the winds out here. We're in the bad weather. And check my man's tent out, man. They blew it down. A lot of chaos, destruction of the winds. Also had this thing happen over here. I'll take you guys with me. See this thing, man. It actually blew a hole. Mother Nature is a force to deal with. It's your main man Mike Hat on the scene, man. Let y'all know what's going on down in DC. And as you can see, Mother Nature is not to be messed with. Just fell over right in front of us. You can see the whole thing ripped out the ground. Take you guys over there so you can see. Let's get a close up of that shit. That's how big that root, that tree was. So like I say, man, it's your main man, Mike Hat, man, telling y'all to be out there, be safe, be away from the trees and everything when the lightning's coming, man, you know. So I'm about to do now, but I wanted to show you fans, man, for the destruction and the chaos of the winds. With all that being said, man, get your umbrellas, get your J's. It's Smoketown time, baby. Peace.